Naghahanap ka ba ng madaling gawin na dessert, masarap at mura lang? Then this brownie recipe might be for you. I just use a hazelnut and then yung Nutella, kayo na bahala kung anong kind ng chocolate yung gagawin ninyo guys. Hindi ako super sure, parang medyo tansya-tansya lang to guys. So I just used a flour and then sifted it, then added my egg, and habang hinahalo ko siya, napansin ko na parang medyo hindi pa okay yung consistency and nakukulangan ako. So you can just add water, pero since I have a milk, nag-add ako ng konting milk just to have this consistency. Kapag ganito na guys, yung consistency na meron na kayo, okay na siya. And hindi ako naglagay ng any sugar na kasi matamis na guys yung chocolate. Alright? Pwede pala kayo mag-add ng toppings, any toppings that you want, pero hindi na din ako nag-add just to keep it simple. And dyan ko siya nilagay kasi wala na akong choice. I also have a cookie recipe nga pala, so you can check my page and promise guys, that's masarap.